everyone, welcome to MEP Booster. So in this lecture we'll see how to automatically connect air diffuser in Revit. So let's start. So first of all, if you want to connect diffuser automatically, so here first you need to place the mechanical equipment, okay, like AHU, FCU. So let's say for the placement of mechanical equipment, come here in the system tab, mechanical panel, hit on mechanical equipment. Now if you see in the properties palette, here we have a different types of mechanical equipment like air handling unit, fan coil unit. So what I am doing here, I want to place fan coil unit, ceiling ducted chill water type. Suppose the capacity 2000 CFM I have selected, okay, and the elevation from level I am giving at 5 feet. Okay, let's say now place it where you want. Suppose I have decided to place here, correct, and then press the skip key. Now select it and see this is the out. Out means this is your supply air duct opening, and in means return air duct opening, means the return air will enter from the back side and supply condition air we need to supply from this side. So I want to just rotate this. Simple, select the FCU. See the rotate option is given here. Hit on rotate and just try to rotate 90 degree. Now see, this is your supply air duct opening. Now once if you have placed the mechanical equipment like fan coil unit, now we need to place the diffuser. Okay, so let's see. For the diffuser, come here in the system tab, HVAC panel, air terminal. Okay, so from here you can also use the shortcut AT or select it. Now from here, see which type of diffuser you want to place. Supply air diffuser, return air diffuser. Okay, different types of diffuser is available. So we have decided to select supply air diffuser. Here you can also change the diffuser size as per your requirement. Let's say hit on edit type. From here you can change the duct width, duct height, diffuser width, diffuser height. Simple. This is your face size. Diffuser width means face width, face height, and neck width, neck height, correct. So you can change it as per your flow rate. Okay, so here our main target is to place the diffuser. So from here I am selecting same diffuser. Suppose one diffuser I have placed here, one diffuser I have decided to place here, and one diffuser here, correct. Now I want to draw the ducting layout. So it is very simple. Select the FCU from the drawing, right click on this drag point. Here you will get the option draw duct. Okay, hit on this draw duct option. Now you can draw the duct. Even if you want to reduce the size, see right now by default, because the opening width is 48 inch, height 14 inch. Suppose you want to reduce, let's say 30 inch. Okay, you can just draw it up to here. After that, see automatically you will get the reducer here. Again I want to reduce the width of duct, suppose for example 24 inch. Okay, so you can just draw it. Simple. Again if you want, suppose 14 inch by 14 inch, now square diffuser, or 16 inch. Now you can just connect it. Simple. Now here I want to show that how to automatically connect air diffuser in Revit. So it is very simple. Once if you have drawn the ducting layout, now select the diffuser from the drawing, modify tab, layout panel. Here you will get the option connect into. Just hit on connect into and select the ducting layout, where in which section you want to connect the diffuser. Simple, just select it. See, the diffuser is connected, automatic. Same way, select the diffuser, hit on connect into, select the duct section. Now for this one, select the diffuser, connect into, and this duct section. See, automatically the duct is connected. You can see in 3D view. This is your ducting layout. Okay, so now finally, once if you have done this, now suppose let's say you want to convert this duct into flexible duct. Okay, that option is also available. To convert this in flex duct, come here in the system tab, HVAC panel. Here you will get the option convert to flex duct. Okay, you can see in this images. So for simple, just hit on this convert to flex duct. Now they will ask you to enter the maximum length. So always remember the flex duct maximum length should be 1.5 meter, not greater than that. Maximum length of flex duct is 1.5 meter. Okay, means near about 5 feet. So here I have given the length 5 feet, and now you need to select the diffuser. Simple. See here also, select it here also. See, now the duct is connected. See, now it is in flex duct. Can you see? Now here, from here you can change the shaded view, or if you want to see the realistic view, you can also go through that. Realistic view is also visible. Okay, is it clear? Now sometime you want to change the pattern of this flex duct, so select it. See, from here you can change the pattern. Pattern is single line, what you want. If you want flex, you can select, change the pattern, okay, as per your requirement. Okay, so in this way we need to connect air diffuser automatic in Revit. So hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.